In order to get logged in to your Lakeside instance of Canva for the first time, you're going to have to do a few things. First of all, if it looks like you're logged in already, go on over to your initials on the right side and get signed out. Next, you'll want to click Login, and you'll be presented with a few options. You want to choose this last option, Continue Another Way, and then you'll scroll down and choose Continue with Email, and then you'll put your email address in. Make sure you use your Lakeside email address. Type your password and then do not click Login, click Login with SSO. Once you're logged in, you should see in the upper left-hand corner that there's a Lakeside School option here, and this is the correct one. You may have other options here. If you created a personal account using your Lakeside School address, then that'll show up here, and there may be other teams that you may have signed on to using your Lakeside School account. If you didn't, then this should be the only one there. Then you're all set. From this point forward, you can log in by just clicking the Google icon, and it should log you right back in to this instance.